Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How many names does Allah have?
99.
What are those names called in Arabic?
Asma'ul Husna.
Shall we say 15 of them? Let's begin.
Allahu Rahman Rahim Malik Qudus Salam Mu'min Muhaimin Aziz Jabbar Mutakabbir Halik Bari Musawwir Ghaffar Qahhar Wahhab Razzaq Fatah Alim Latif Hafiz Ghafir Nasir Mudallil Samir Safir Faham Adil Latif Abir Khalid Habib Ghafur Aliyah Kemil Hafiz Bukit Asif Jelil Jelil Hakim Mujib Wasia Hakim Wadud Majid Ba'is Mujib Wasia Hakim Wadud Majid Ba'is.
MashaAllah. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.